Hello, welcome to Pike Creek Farm. My name is Renee, and thank you for joining me today. I live in the thumb of Michigan. You know, Michigan's shaped like a thumb, in the Lower Peninsula, and I live in the thumb. I want to thank everyone for being here. I like to do videos on canning and baking, and I love vintage recipes. And today I'm here for a collab that I put together called Make It March. Oh, we're getting to the end of it. March is flowing by. So today I am doing a video and I am making a vintage recipe, a family favorite, and one that my mom used to make for every family reunion and potluck. It's Calico Beans, and you may have heard of it, Calico Beans. And it has hamburger and onions and bacon and a variety of beans, different colors, and it has some spices and things you add to zhuzh it up, and that's what we're gonna make today. And what is Make It March? Make It March is a collaboration where we show how we use the things we jar up. Today I'm using some beans. I'm using navy beans in tomato sauce. It could have been just plain navy beans, but that's what I have. And I'm using my Boston baked beans that I did back in January for Canuary. I'm also including kidney beans, which I don't have home canned, and Lima beans, and I'm out of my home canned Lima beans. I love Lima beans, and we grow them and can them, but last year we were not able to. So it's on the list for this year. You can change up the beans, you know, if you have home canned red beans, if you have, I thought about putting my Louisiana red beans in here, but I kind of want to save those for other dinners. So it has 5 jars of beans. The original recipe calls for pork and beans, and then lima beans, kidney beans, and I think it was navy beans, just plain navy beans. So we're pretty close. Now, more about Make It March. Make It March is a new video every day this month by different content creators showing how to use your home canned items. And there's going to be a live giveaway on March 31st on my channel at 7 p.m. 4 Jars has donated 100 canning lids and a jar opener, which I never have mine out. Ooh, sorry for the squeak. There's mine. I just got that like a month ago. And I'm going to give away a $50 Amazon gift card. And those prizes are going to be from the comments that you leave on all the videos. It's going to be a random video is going to be selected and then a random comment. During the live giveaway, there's going to be some other prizes that we're going to give away just for fun. There might be a cookbook, there might be apron, just some fun stuff. And those will be based on hashtags that we do during the live. So it should be a fun night. It shouldn't be, it's not going to be a long, long night, just a fun get together with everyone who's interested in using their home canned items. And I will have this recipe down below. And if you don't have home canned beans, that's okay. You can use what you have. You can go to the store. Now my beef's over there. I'm using a pound of ground beef I'm going to brown up. If you have home canned ground beef, you could use that. I thought about using some of my home canned sausage, but I want to save that for breakfast recipes. And then it includes, you need 4 to 6 slices of bacon chopped up. I think I have 7. And of course the bacon can't be canned. There's no safe tested recipe for canning bacon. So just grab it out of your fridge and grab a few slices. And there's a chopped onion. So that's the first step, is getting all that stuff browned together. And I'm gonna make it in a crock pot. You can cook it low and slow in the oven or in a crock pot. Mom always did a crock pot. And I think she used to like double this recipe and put it in a really big one a lot of times. So let's come on down and get to making Calico beans. So I have the bacon, I have a medium onion that I've chopped up, and then I have a pound of ground beef. So just waiting for the pan to heat up some. And add in the pound of ground beef. I love the flavor of onions and bacon cooked together. To me, it just smells amazing. It tastes so good. And that's a lot of onion, but it will cook down. And it's going to cook all day in the crock pot. Get this mixed together. It is heated up, but it's not sizzling yet. It will be soon. First, I'm gonna add the beans and tomato sauce. I almost said pinto beans. They're not. They're white navy beans. And this is a vegetarian recipe. There's no meat in this one. And see how they come out? They are not mushy. They're not all, they have definition. There's a sauce. Next will be the Boston. See, there is sauce in those. They do settle, but they're not dry. Kidney beans, I'm going to drain these. I like adding the kidney beans and the Lima beans because it really gives that calico color, you know, the variation. But if you don't like one of the beans, you swap it out. I'm going to drain these and add those in. Let me stir all this. Okay, I'm going to stir the meat. We add 1 cup of ketchup, whatever kind of ketchup you have. 1 tablespoon of vinegar. I am using apple cider. You can use honey. Now a 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger. And I kind of made it heaping. I didn't level it off. And a 1/4 teaspoon of dry mustard. And it calls for a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. I'm not going to pack it down because my Boston baked beans are pretty sweet. Stir that all together. I can always add more later on, but I don't think it's going to need it. I might want to add a little more vinegar, actually. Meat's not quite ready. I had thought about adding 2 jars of the beans and tomato sauce and 1 of the Boston baked beans, but I kind of like the idea of the rich depth of flavor of the Boston baked beans. will serve this just as dinner the way it is, maybe have a little salad on the side, but you could do some sausage, you could do pork chops, you could have hot dogs, hamburgers. It's great at a potluck. But for us, it's a hearty meal on its own because it has the meat in it, it has the beans. Okay. I'm gonna take some paper towel and with a wooden spoon there, just blot it out. And here's how this looks. I'm short. So here, just mix that in. I'm gonna put the lid on this and we'll come back and, it's 10 o'clock now. We'll come back around 5. Here they are ready. Grabbed a slotted spoon on accident. They're very hearty. See, the lima beans give a nice color. It's hot. We're gonna have this for dinner. I made a chopped salad to go with it. And there's gonna be leftovers, but I'm gonna freeze it and bring it out for Easter. So one thing done for Easter dinner. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to watch all the videos for Make It March. I'll have the playlist down below. And we'll see you March 31st at the live. See you next time at Pike Creek Farm.